TOA family. What's happening? Eric Huber here, product specialist with TOA Electronics. Happy Monday. That's right. And we're back.
We are back, baby.
We're back with another episode of TOA Electronics Sound Supply every single Monday.
We are back. We are back.
8 p.m. Eastern, released to all of our social media channels. We're happy to have you guys. And today we're going to make it super quick. Well, what's missing or what may be missing currently or what you need in your life
Domestic bliss.
is the ability to communicate naturally from anywhere in the entire world. And guess what? We have a solution. Let's bring in our wonderful Lanubio, our in-out device, all-in-one, super simple to use, high-end, professional sounding interface designed to give you guys natural communication from anywhere in the world. It's a beautiful thing. So I think the need for natural communication during, and when I say natural, I mean organic, right? Talking to somebody virtually, if you want to use that term, in the most natural way possible. And it's been a struggle. It's been a struggle for a lot of people that are on typical devices, such as a entry-level webcam of some sort that has a built-in mic, for example. Well, let's put it this way. Let me give you guys an example. You're in a very large conference room, and you want to be able to just sit back and have a conversation with your colleague, with your customer, with anybody in the world, without having to worry about where the microphone is, looking in a certain direction, moving around to make sure that your client can hear you properly, worrying about being anywhere in the space, and potentially having your customer not be able to hear you clearly. With our conference I/O solutions, such as Lanubio, that is all gone out the window. It's all possible, and it's done via simple configuration, coming into a space, using the tools that a solution like this gives you, tailoring that solution to the room, whether that be setting the dimensions, setting your pickup pattern, or pointing that beam steering array directly at somebody speaking, and ensuring that wherever they are, wherever that audible level comes out, the Lanubio, for example, will pick that up clearly and effectively, and then transmit that audio over network to your potential clients. I'll give you guys a challenge, and if you're setting up meeting spaces, sit down in one of the chairs, sit down in the conference room, run a test. Put your feet up, lay back, just have a conversation, right? This way that the missing link when it comes to this virtual realm is that organic type feel, that organic environment, that person-to-person experience that we're trying to replicate or co-adhere to, that natural type way that humans communicate over a virtual network. And it's never been easier before. And we've had this solution for quite a time, but I think people don't really truly understand how powerful a solution like the Lanubio is and what they're missing, with these entry-level type devices when they're potentially making, deals worth millions, or even a simple phone call to your colleague where you guys can just talk back and forth as if you were in the same room. And that's key. And that's what this product is designed for, to give you that organic, that natural feel as if you were in person with your work colleague or with a potential client or with a potential business partner. The list goes on and on. But today it's all possible. And I kid you not, setup, installation, and ease of use. You know, the customer can relate to these products, and that's why we designed them the way that they were designed. The product looks very similar to a lot of things he or she would see around their household. It's easy to use. It's literally one USB cable. That's all you need to route all your devices. There is a built-in hub for your peripherals, such as a webcam input. You could be using 2 webcams, doesn't matter. They come in, they sit down, they plug in, boom, they're ready to go. They'll launch their preferred meeting application, whether that be Teams, Zoom, whatever that may be. You know, there's many out there. Lenubio is compatible, or any of our Meeting IO products are compatible with anything out there on the market. And if you guys need help setting it up, please give us a call. We would love to help you guys, because you know, this is a very important application and could literally determine the decision making. You know, it builds that reputation to give somebody a quality presentation or a quality conversation from afar, from a remote location. It goes a long way, and I think people kind of overlook that when it comes to video conferencing and Meeting IO series and this virtual way that we communicate in today's world. I definitely want you guys to keep that in mind, you know, going forward. If you see a potential application that you think could use one of our Meeting IO products, and you're not sure about something, you know, if it's the right fit, you know, is the room too large? There are some limitations, but there's always ways to make it work. And we here at TOA can definitely help you out with that. All right, guys, that was it. Quick tip. I just want to make sure you guys are aware of the need for that organic, natural communication that human beings love to interact with day in and day out. All right, guys. Again, happy Monday. Webinar at the end of this month coming up. Is it September yet? It is about to be, which is insane. Yeah, we'll see you guys next Monday for TOA Sound Supply. And be on the lookout for the webinar announcement. Like I said earlier, it's going to be via Zoom again. I believe we're covering these products. Don't quote me. But it's going to be something very interesting and very relevant for today's world. All right, guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.